His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na, na.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a new hairstyle and I did it myself. I'm going to keep saying that until I get so good at it that you guys are going to just know that, hey, she did it herself. Yeah, so I've been really loving this hair. I posted it on Instagram and people were just like really liking it. And I love it as well. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it though, because I'm starting to notice that it's a little bit harder to maintain. It's starting to get a little bit dry. And really, I can't really put too much product into it. So it's just like, oh, but anyway, now that I can do my hair myself, I can easily change it. So that is really awesome. Anyways, this guy right here. Hope you guys can see there. So this is the 2X Mambo Janet collection, Afro Montego twist braid Marley style. Blah, blah, blah. Wow, that's a long name. 18 inches, and I got it off of Amazon, 6-pack for about $24. That was a deal. The hair, they said that it would take about 2 weeks to ship because I didn't have Prime, and I was kind of bummed out about that. But what was surprising is actually I got it within a week. So I was like, I took down my hair, the other one that I had, and I was just like freaking out, like, what am I gonna do with my hair next? And it got here to me like within a week. So that was really awesome. So when I'll leave a link below for you guys to order this hair. It will say, it will give you like 2 weeks of a time period that for shipping, but it really is faster than that. Another thing is the hair came from Sam's Beauty, which I was really impressed with because I've ordered a lot of hair from Sam's Beauty and they're really good. They're fast. They have a lot of great styles and really good deals most of the time. So it was really nice too. But when they sell some of them on Amazon, it's way cheaper. So like this guy was only $24. So this is Marley style. You've seen a lot of people do a lot of videos on Marley hair. You can use this hair for twisting your own hair, like for twisting without doing a crochet style. And really, I like this hair a lot. I'll open it and show you guys how it looks like. Oh gosh, this is a mess. This is what I was working with. So this is the hair. And when it comes, it actually is pre-looped. So although, give me a second here. So that was really cool about this hair. So here it is. So you see that? Basically what they really did a good job of is keeping it already pre-looped for you. So some of them just come like opened up like this, and it's really hard to work with because you kind of have to go in like this and put your crochet needle and pull it in. But with this one, it was already done for you, so you could just easily just loop them in. Well, that's a good thing. It's also kind of a con because if you wanted to cut it in half to make it shorter, it's kind of hard because it gets messy. So I'm going to get into that on how I got my hair to be shorter. So this is 18 inches. I looped it, and basically I went in, I watched a lot of tutorials on how to kind of layer and cut Marley hair. So basically you have to put your hair like in a full ponytail up and let it face down, and you cut like a straight, cut it straight, and then you go in with the scissor basically standing up. So you're doing one of these like this until it layers. I didn't do that God. At first. I basically took rubber bands, and while it was long, I put rubber bands into 4 sections, and I just went in, kind of twisted a little bit and just cut it, which is why I don't have a perfect layered look. I'm working on it, and hopefully by next week I'll have it all perfect. Yeah, to get it to look shorter. I posted a picture also on Instagram if you guys follow me. The hair was a bit too long. I mean, I'm 5'10", pretty tall, and it was like almost half past my boob. It was really long, and really being a mom, I don't have time for my son to be pulling my hair, so I basically was like, okay, I need to really work on this. A lot of people really thought this was my hair, like it's coming out of my scalp. I'm getting better at the part. So, you know, it really is blending really in well. I'm also 4 months post relaxer, so this hair is really doing a great job at just blending in with my hair. I left a bit of hair on the sides here to kind of cover up, like when the wind blows. You got to think about things like that. There's tips and tricks, let me tell you. When you start doing your own hair, you can actually do things the way you want, which is one of my frustrations before. I would tell people to kind of do my hair and they didn't do certain things. So one of the things you can do is leave a little bit of hair. So when the wind blows, like right now it's tucked in, oh gosh, you don't see like just um, stuff, you know. Yeah, so I left a little bit of hair. This hair is really lightweight. It gets frizzy, it's starting to get dry, and I really don't know what to put in it. I've been just putting a little bit of a serum on my hands and kind of just putting it to smell good. It doesn't smell that great. I don't like the smell. So I was like, okay, I need to put something a little bit, to make it smell better. I didn't show you guys the back. Yeah. So that's pretty much the back. So right now, this is a really great length. I can manage it. I just put it behind my ears when I'm at work, and it doesn't bother me too much. So that's really a really cool thing about this hair. Um, what else can I really say, guys? Yeah, even it mentions it right here, the open loop that I was talking about. It's really useful. Instead of having to just take the hair and just make your own loop. Also, another thing that I did, I gotta get closer here, is once I braided the cornrows really small just in the front, I went in and did the invisible something, invisible knotless something. So basically, you take your hair with a crochet needle, and instead of looping it in all of it, you just take a little bit and then you tie it. So that basically helps with hiding, that big old hiding this, so that people don't just go, oh, that's not your hair, you know. And really, honestly, I don't think anybody gets that close, like where they're gonna be like, oh, that's not your hair. And I have gray hair, and I'm not gonna cover it. I'm proud of my gray hairs. I have a toddler. Anyway, so this is really how it looks. So another thing that I did was open some, to kind of give it like that rough look. I don't know why I liked it like that way. I like it a little bit messy. I don't like it perfect. So basically, this is how the curls looks once you loop them. They're kind of, oh no, the ones that are not open, right here. Okay, I can't show you guys, but pretty much, yeah. These are the ones that I kind of open, and then the other ones are all perfect. I also, gosh, I'm losing my train of thought here. Yeah, I basically went in. Also, once I was doing the knotless method or whatever, I opened up some and then some left normally, and then I opened up some, left some normally, so that it just kind of has like a flow, so it doesn't look like what the heck were you doing. So really, I'm really proud of this hairstyle. I really love this hair. I'm gonna leave a link for you guys to order it. I'm still trying to layer it because I really would love to have a perfect layer, like something like looking like this. So I've been trying to cut it with scissors going down, to get it perfect. But so far, I'm really impressed with what the work I did. And yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.